The idea of being a pro esports player or a video game streamer has been on everyone's mind lately. From making video game content to entering tournaments, the interest has definitely been on the rise. Hey gamers, it's CJ from Yugatech, and today, we're gonna show you the games that can be potential careers in both content creation and esports. So let's get started. Starting off with cult classic Defense of the Ancients 2, or Dota 2 for short. Initially, a fan-developed custom multiplayer battle arena for Warcraft 3, Reign of Chaos, and more notably, its expansion, the Frozen Throne. In July 2013, Valve released the newly adopted Dota 2. Dota has been around for 10 years since the custom map made in 2003, solidifying its cult status. It's a free-to-play 5v5 MOBA with a total of 124 playable heroes. At the time that this video was produced, with each hero featuring their own different kinds of skills and playstyles depending on their role. Each hero is categorized by primary attributes: strength, agility, and intelligence. There are roles that players queue themselves in for, more competitively in ranked matches. These are mid lane, safe lane, off lane, soft support, and hard support. Their largest tournament, the International, features prize pools ranging from $1.6 million to a whopping $40 million, with the latest having hitting almost $19 million. Sheesh! Currently, Dota 2 can be spotted as one of the top viewing games on Twitch. It's free to play on PC via Steam. Now that we mentioned Dota 2, let's move on to Riot Games' League of Legends. Also known as LOL, because it's a laughable Dota ripoff. JK, don't hate on me. League of Legends is a 5v5 free-to-play PC MOBA with a total of 163 champions to choose from. Similar to Dota 2, the champions have classes which consist of controllers, fighters, mages, marksmen, slayers, and tanks. There are also roles which are top, jungle, mid, bottom, support, and roam. The MOBA's biggest tournament, the League of Legends World Championships, has a winning cash pot that range from $1.97 million to $6.45 million US. Content-wise, LoL would be your best bet, as it is the highest watched video game on Twitch, and the third on YouTube. League of Legends is free to play on the Riot client, the Epic Game Store, or Xbox/PC Game Pass. Released back in 2016, Mobile Legends Bang Bang can only be played on Android and iOS. Most commonly known locally as ML, the game is a free-to-play 5v5 MOBA with a total of 121 heroes having either a single or dual role: assassin, fighter, mage, marksman, support, and or tank. The laning positions consist of XP laner, gold laner, jungler, mid laner, and roamer. The M World Championship is the biggest competition with the prize money ranging from $250,000 to $900,000 US. Mobile Legends is the second highest game in views on YouTube, so aspiring content creators and fans of the game should take note of this. Mobile Legends Bang Bang is available for free on the Google Play Store for most Android devices and the Apple App Store for iOS. Apex Legends was made by Respawn Entertainment back in 2019. It's a free-to-play battle royale where a standard match has a total of 60 players in teams of 3. The game has a roster of 24 playable legends, with each having a role with unique abilities. These roles are Assault, Skirmisher, Recon, Support, and Controller. Interested players may head to Steam or the EA app for PC, the PlayStation Store for PlayStation consoles, the Xbox Game Stores for the Xbox consoles, and the Nintendo eShop for Switch. Of course, we undoubtedly need to mention this widely received game that's fostered countless video game memes, influencer collaborations, and brand integrations: Fortnite. Fortnite is a free-to-play battle royale developed by Epic Games back in 2017. This battle royale can be played alone, as a duo, trio, or a squad consisting of 4 members. Solo, duo, and squad matches have a total of 100 players per match, while trios have 99 players. Like I said before, the game has had multiple collaborations ranging from music artists, TV shows, comic book tie-ins, and other forms of intellectual property relevant to pop culture. When you enter a match in Fortnite, expect to see an anime character or someone from the Marvel or DC universe fighting alongside or against you. The Fortnite Championship Series is an ongoing tournament that features duos duking it out for that sweet prize money. It's also worth noting that the Fortnite World Cup will have an even bigger prize pool at $5 million. we've spotted Fortnite on the list of top 10 most watched games in both Twitch and YouTube. Fortnite is available to play on PC, PlayStation 4 and 5, Xbox, the Nintendo Switch, Android, and iOS. Next, we have another cult classic, CSGO, short for Counter-Strike Global Offensive, a multiplayer first-person shooter developed by Valve and Hidden Path Entertainment. This is the fourth installment of the Counter-Strike franchise. Just like Dota, the first Counter-Strike game originated as a mod or a custom multiplayer map for Half-Life back in 1999. A standard competitive match in CSGO consists of a 5v5 that can have up to 30 rounds lasting a minute and 55 seconds. The first team to hit 16 rounds out of 30 wins the match. The Counter-Strike Global Offensive Major Championships are tournaments made by Valve themselves. The prize pool has ranged from $250,000 to $2 million US. CSGO can be found as one of the highest watched video games on Twitch. This title is free to play on PC via Steam. A sequel to CSGO has been announced called Counter-Strike 2, which is rolling out as a cumulative update on the existing CSGO. So there's no need to worry about losing your skins and loot boxes. Last but not the least, this game took the world by storm in the early days of the COVID-19 pandemic, Valorant. Valorant is a free-to-play competitive first-person shooter developed by Riot Games back in April of 2020. When the game hit its first anniversary, it had over 14 million active players monthly. Valorant matches, similar to Counter-Strike, have a total of 10 players split into 2 teams, resulting in a 5v5. For standard matches, the game has a total of 25 rounds. First to 13 wins the game. At the time this video is being recorded, there are currently a total of 23 playable agents, each having one of 4 roles: Controller, Duelist, Initiator, and Sentinel. Riot Games runs the Valorant Champions Tour, a global esports tournament where a total of 30 teams are selected to join the International League. The highest prize pool so far is totaled to $1 million. Valorant is easily seen as one of the highest viewed games on both Twitch and YouTube, interchanging with CSGO in viewership. Valorant can be played on Windows via the Riot client or on the Epic Games Store. Alternatively, if you're a PC Game Pass subscriber, you can get an exclusive gun buddy and access to all lock agents in your account. Here are some honorable mentions from some games that don't fit the categories but either have a high prize pool or a high view count on Twitch or YouTube. Personally, when it comes to video game creation, I think sticking with just one game is a no-go. The video game scene changes drastically as new titles get released every year. For example, as of making this video, Diablo 4 was released a month ago and it's currently seen as the top viewed game in both Twitch and YouTube. In the professional esports category, if you think you got what it takes, why not try checking out your local tournament and entering there first? We all need to start somewhere, and there's usually no harm in trying, right? As someone who's gotten a glimpse of that, a lot of your free time could be taken up with training and scrims. So brace yourself for that. But at the end of the day, play the games that make you happy and keep on with the hustle in either producing content or trying to enter the esports scene. Well, that's a wrap for this video. There were so many games I could have mentioned, but these were at the top. Were there titles we missed that you think should be on this list? Let us know in the comments below. Which of you guys consider yourselves pros in these games? Pakyarin naman dyan. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok, and visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech and gaming news. Again, this has been CJ from Yugatech, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Yeah!
One more time!
Yeah! Yeah! Okay.
Also known as LOL, because it's also known as LOL, because it's the laughable.
You didn't make your mouth.
There are also roles which are top, jungle, mid, bottom, lane, That's probably the longest arrow we've done.
Yep.